Welcome to Explain Everything. Here I'm going to show you how easy it is to use in a classroom. So once you enter the app Explain Everything, you can begin by adding a project using the plus sign in the top left-hand corner. The tools are then quite intuitive, so you can choose a pen and the colour using the colour palettes and the pen symbol. If you make a mistake, you can simply erase it using the eraser on the left-hand side, or you can select the whole object and click the red X and delete it. Selecting the square on the left-hand side gives you a range of other options too. And there's also a pointer option if you want to draw attention to something particular. Now in some subjects you might want the students to use an image to explain something, and that's very easy to add using the button on the left-hand side that I'm showing you here. But the amazing thing about this app is that you can also insert a video for them to explain. If you want to add an extra slide, you can do this with the button that's second from the top on the left-hand side, and you can toggle between these slides with the bit at the bottom on the left that says slide 1 of 2. The best thing about all of this is if you hit the red record button at the bottom in the center, you can record everything that's going on in the screen in this app. And so this allows students to create a movie, and you can see exactly what their thought process is as they're explaining it to you. Hitting the play button will then play back everything that's been recorded so that students can decide whether they want to edit it or whether they're happy with their final product. Now the program will auto-save, but you should obviously encourage your students to save their projects, and they can be shared by exporting the project to the movie roll, to YouTube, or you can set up a common Dropbox for your class. So what does this look like in a classroom? Here's an example of a piece of work by one of my chemistry students who was showing me his thought process when he was learning how to balance an equation. In what ways might being able to record, assess, and therefore help a student develop their understanding be useful in your subject?